The Bible was written by over 40 authors across 1,500 years, in different places and cultures, yet it tells one united story: God's plan of salvation. Its writers came from all walks of life. Moses was a prince turned shepherd and leader. David, a shepherd who became king. Solomon, a wise ruler. Amos, a farmer. Nehemiah, a royal cupbearer. Daniel, a statesman in Babylon. Matthew, a tax collector. Peter and John, fishermen. Luke, a physician. And Paul, a scholar turned missionary. They wrote in deserts, palaces, prisons, and homes, yet their words harmonize perfectly. This unity through such diversity shows the Bible is not just man's work, but God's Word, living, powerful, and timeless.